Hello everybody, this is a video for PLA Dynamical users to squeeze a little bit more out of it. So this is the system which is using PLA Dynamical moving average, and this is the S&P 500 futures on a 10-minute chart. If you look at the volatility plot at the bottom, you can see there's a definite cycle between the US opening and the out of hours session. And if you look at the equity curve generated by the system, we've got about 33.6% winning trades here and risk reward ratio of 2.3. And the equity curve is healthy, indicating that it's kind of in tune. The mechanics of the system are working quite well. The 85,550 profit going back to the beginning of 2024. So basically, we've got a lot of whipsaw trades, which is normal with trend following. And most of these are happening in this low volatility time, but there are some spectacular winners coming out from the same period. So it's kind of counterintuitive to disable the strategy during this time. So a way to squeeze a bit more out of it, I can show you now. So the anti-reverse is currently off. And this is one thing that is worth optimizing to 3 decimal places. So this default position is anti-reverse off. And if you do, this is 0.005. So I've already optimized this to 0.048, which is the best. And if I enable the strategy again, you can see increase in performance. So if we now look at this system report, just by that one little change, it's jumped to, it's about 17% increase in the profit. So the percent profitable is gone up by 1.4%. The risk reward ratio has dropped by 0.02, but the overall performance, as you can see, is a lot better. Optimizing more than one thing at a time, generally a bad idea. You can see the equity curve is happy with the mechanics, and we haven't really changed anything. Basically, this anti-reverse is acting as a filter. This one's already been set to the correct value, so you can see there's a little kink, but that's basically where the anti-reverse has stepped in. So the anti-reverse is exactly what it says. It stops the moving average from reversing. So here we've got a normal curved line because the anti-reverse is disabled. So first we switch it on by using this one. 1 is on, 0 is off. Increase the step 0.5. Now it's much more clear, straight line, and suddenly goes up. So if you had that set to 0.5, the long entry would have been delayed to here, which in this case wouldn't have been so good. But it's removed this bit, which went down, and this one is also delayed. So basically adds a bit of a noise filter to the moving average, which is it's going to be less effective when you've got a natural ebb and flow, which is probably how I would describe this. Fall in, gradually going up again. So if the market's making this price action, this is usually best to be switched off. But if it's a lot of noise and chaos like this, then this is often a very useful way to reduce whipsaw. Okay, I hope that's clear. And if you've purchased this product, this should help you to understand how to use it a bit better, because quite a few people buy this product. They decide to buy it because it's advanced and they don't fully understand how to use the features very well. So I'll be making a few more videos of my products so you can have a better experience of trading with them.